Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Function 101. In this video, we are going to go over arithmetic operators. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do basic math calculations in your program. So let's get started. So first, let's open a Python file. So now let's go over 7 important Python operators. The first being addition. When you're simply adding two numbers, let's say I set a equal to 10 and b, another variable, equal to 5. And these are both integers. And so the result, if I print as a plus b, and I print this, so print result, and when I run this, it's going to print 10 plus 5, which is 15. So next, let's go with subtraction. And this is also very simple as the addition. So if I do result equals a minus b, and do print result and run this, so again this will print 10 minus 5, which is 5. Next, moving on to multiplication, it is a little bit different. So in order to multiply two numbers a and b, I would need to do result equals a, and then I need to use the star symbol b. So the star symbol basically defines multiplication. And when I print this, again print result and run, this prints out 10 times 5, which is 50. And next, moving on to division, when I'm dividing a and b, I would simply do result equals a slash b, and this simply divides the first number by the second. And so when I print the result and click run, it prints out 2.0, which is the result of 10 divided by 5. Next, moving on to the modulus. The modulus essentially returns the remainder of the division. So in this case, let's do result and a, and the modulus can be done by adding a percent sign. So if I do a and then percent b, and do print result and run this, this will print out 0, because when you do 10 divided by 5, as we did earlier, it equals to 2, and there's no remainder left over. Next, let's go over exponentiation. So I'm going to type result equals a, and this time I'm going to do 2 stars, and then b. And then again, print result, and when I run this, as you can see, it prints out the value of 10 to the power of 5. So essentially, when you're doing exponentiation, it raises the first number to the power of the second number. So the first number would be the base, the second number would be the power. And lastly, let's go to floor division. Floor division divides and returns the largest integer, smaller or equal to the result. So as an example, let's do result equals a. And in order to do floor division, you need to add 2 slashes, b, and again print, and when I run this, it will print out 2 as the result. Because again, as before, when we divided 10 by 5, the result was 2. And so this is returning the number equal to the result when we divide the numbers. The last 3 operators that we went over are not very commonly used, but at least now you have the basics of how to use arithmetic operators in Python. And there you have it. That is it for this video on arithmetic operators in Python. Remember to practice on these operators and just to use them in your program and try some examples out to gain more practice. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel down below. And comment down below if you have any questions or want to learn more about certain topics. And I will see you in the next video.